Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. In last video, we have discussed how to approach system design. Today, we will discuss a very important topic of system design, that is performance versus scalability. It is very important concept to understand system design. So, let's dive right into it. Performance. How fast a system responds to a single request. It's about latency and throughput for one user or a fixed load. Optimizing performance means reducing response time, improving efficiency, and making system handle requests faster. Example, a query that runs in 100 millisecond versus 1 second. The 100 millisecond query is higher performance. Adding caching like Redis improve performance by reducing database hits. Scalability. How well a system handle increasing load, more users, more data, more requests. It's about capacity growth without breaking. A scalable system maintains acceptable performance even a load increase. Example, your system handles 1K user today but can handle 1 million tomorrow. Adding more servers behind a load balancer improve scalability. A system can be high performance but not scalable. Fast for one user, crash at 10k users. Or scalable but not performant. Handles 1 million users but each request takes 5 seconds. The best design aim for the balance of both performance and scalability. So, next time when you are designing a system, remember performance that is fast for one user, scalability can grow to the millions of users. And the secret sauce of great architect is knowing when to optimize for speed and when to design for growth. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In next video, we will discuss latency versus throughput, availability versus consistency. See you next time. Until then, keep learning and keep designing.